Okay, after breakfast, wear the clothes. Then, on his way to school, Ali saw a poor man sleeping at the road. He saw a poor man begging, beggar. No food, no home, no house, no money. And Ali saw the beggar. He said, "Oh, miskin, miskin the man. No home, no house, no food. Okay, let's see what Ali do." Okay, this one. No, Ali is thinking too much. The beggar, the man, is thinking while he is on the school. He said, "Oh, I want to help him. What can I do for the man?" Okay? He don't have a home. He don't have food. Look at his dress. It's look like very old and broken. He's thinking too much. Then he kept thinking of the poor man. He kept thinking, still thinking, even in the classroom, he's still thinking. During the lesson, all that day, he's not focusing because his heart is feeling so sad. Huh? So sad because of the man. Let's see. When he returned home, he told his father about the poor man. He said, "Oh, Baba, I saw an old man sleeping on the chair outside. Huh? I think he don't have home. He don't have food. Okay? I feel so sad for him." Then, let's see. The father is listening, Ali. And the father also, okay. What do you think? What the father is thinking? Huh? What do you think? The father want also to help or Kalibad? Help. Let's see now. So the father and Ali went to the store and